Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up ZipNetVPN to get a fast and secure internet connection with extra online protection. Before we begin, always make sure to read the app's terms and conditions. Also remember to read VPN rules and local laws in your country so that you don't violate any regulations. This tutorial is for educational purposes and should be followed responsibly. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type ZipNetVPN. Once the app appears, select the correct one and tap Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Then open the app. When the app opens for the first time, you will land on the home screen where the setup begins. The next important step is updating the app resources. Look for the Update button and tap on it. This allows the app to download the latest configurations and server updates. Updating is very important because it improves stability, performance, and ensures the servers work properly. Wait for the update process to finish before moving forward after updating. The next phase is selecting your preferred package. Inside the app, you will see different versions available. There is the free version, the premium version, and the VIP version. Each package has its own connection methods. The free version mainly uses UDP. The premium version also supports UDP, and the VIP version may include additional methods like SNS. Choose the package depending on your budget and preferred performance. If you want better performance and possibly more stability, you may go for premium or VIP. But for this guide, you can use the free version. Next, move to the server selection section. Tap on the server area and choose your preferred server. Once selected, the app will automatically apply that server. In this tutorial, we are selecting the UDP server. UDP is known for providing fast speeds and low latency. It works well in many countries that support UDP connections. However, if UDP is not supported by your network provider, the connection may fail. After selecting the server, look for the time left section. If you are using the free version, you must add connection time before you can connect. Tap on Get More Time and follow the instructions inside the app. This step is necessary because without active time, the VPN will not establish a connection once you have added time successfully. Now we move to the final phase. Tap on the Connect or Start button. If UDP is supported in your country and everything is configured properly, you will see a successful connection message. Once connected, your internet traffic will now be routed through the selected server, giving you added privacy and extra protection while browsing online. If the app fails to connect, you can try switching to another server, checking your internet connection, or ensuring that UDP is supported in your region. And that is how you fully set up ZipNetVPN for a fast, stable, and secure internet experience.